What is an accumulator? An accumulator is an important component used in refrigeration and HVAC systems. It works as a temporary storage tank, buffer, for refrigerant and is mainly used to protect the compressor. In simple words, the accumulator makes sure that only refrigerant vapor enters the compressor, not liquid. Where is the accumulator installed? The accumulator is usually installed in the suction line between evaporator, accumulator, compressor. Its position is very important because it sits right before the compressor. Main function of an accumulator: 1. Prevents liquid refrigerant from entering the compressor. The most important job of the accumulator is to stop liquid refrigerant from reaching the compressor. Compressors are designed to compress vapor refrigerant only. If liquid refrigerant enters the compressor, it can cause serious damage. This condition is called liquid slugging. Liquid slugging happens because liquid cannot be compressed like vapor. This can result in broken valves, bent connecting rods, damaged pistons, complete compressor failure. The accumulator traps excess liquid refrigerant and allows it to slowly evaporate before entering the compressor. This protects the compressor and increases its lifespan. 2. Maintains proper refrigerant charge. The accumulator also helps in managing the correct refrigerant amount inside the system. During system startup, defrost cycles, low cooling load conditions, some extra refrigerant may return from the evaporator in liquid form. The accumulator temporarily stores this excess refrigerant and releases it when needed. This helps maintain stable system performance. 3. Stabilizes system pressure. Another important function of the accumulator is pressure control. When sudden load changes occur, refrigerant flow may become unstable. The accumulator absorbs extra refrigerant and helps maintain balanced suction pressure. Stable pressure means smooth compressor operation, better cooling efficiency, lower energy consumption, reduced wear and tear. How does an accumulator work? Simple explanation. Inside the accumulator, liquid refrigerant enters and settles at the bottom. Vapor refrigerant rises to the top. Only vapor exits toward the compressor. Some designs include a small metering hole to slowly return oil and small amounts of refrigerant. This controlled process ensures safe and stable system operation. Why is an accumulator important? Without an accumulator, liquid refrigerant can damage the compressor. System pressure may fluctuate. Cooling performance may drop. Energy consumption may increase. Compressor lifespan may reduce. With an accumulator, compressor is protected. Refrigerant flow is stable. System efficiency improves. Equipment life increases. Conclusion: the accumulator plays a vital role in the refrigeration cycle. Protects the compressor from liquid slugging. Maintains proper refrigerant balance. Stabilizes system pressure. Improves efficiency and reliability. That is why the accumulator is considered an essential component in modern refrigeration and HVAC systems.